How to clear browsing history on Google Chrome for Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to clear browsing history on Google Chrome for Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Chrome on your Android device. Select three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this drop-down menu box, you have to select the option for delete browsing data. Now, a menu appears on your screen where you can see all your last 15 minutes browsing data. To delete it, tap Delete Data at bottom right corner of the screen. And then your browsing data will be deleted. But to delete your browsing history, simply come back and select the three dots again at top right corner and choose History. These are all your browsing history on Google Chrome for Android. Tap Delete Browsing Data at top of the screen. And after that, on this section, this includes all your browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved password, autofill form data, and site settings. You can also select all time at top right corner and select the time range of either last hour, 24 hours, or many more, and then tap the delete data at bottom right corner of the screen. You have to confirm, and after a while all your browsing history on Google Chrome for Android will be cleared. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.